Hello guys and be welcome to this little video. Today I'll bring you the Tornado IDS 311 GVRSV 60th anniversary Tornado. This is a 1/72 scale model, and it's from the Aeronautica Militare, which I'm assuming is Italian. So let's open the box and check the contents. Lots of stuff going on. So for starters, we have two massive decal sheets, as you can see. I'll show one by one. For the special camo, which is looking absolutely amazing. This is the second one. Decals are printed by Cartograph, which have everything to be an amazing decal sheet. There's lots of details going on, lovely crispy details. They're absolutely amazing. They are big decal sheets, but hopefully we'll be able to get them sorted soon. So let's move this. With these 7 strides. For a video game. Right, starting with the instructions. Good old type Italeri instructions. A little booklet with everything in one go, as you guys can see. There's not many steps to accomplish the build. No. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to accomplish the full build. So not a huge work. And then we have the decal sheet, which you can see. So red and white needs to be painted, gloss black as well. So yeah, 19A. What is 19A? Alright. So we have masks for some of the stuff. And we have more stuff on here. Looks a fairly simple build, apart from the decals, obviously, yeah, as you can see. But doesn't look that is gonna be too much of a fuss. So now we open the contents. And let's see what we have here. We have a nice crispy canopy. Let's look into it. The canopy clear parts seem to be fairly good. Yes, as you guys can see. Lovely details with line on the middle. Plastic wise, this is all white. As you can see, the plane is not so big and should be good to go. Flash wise, I'm absolutely surprised that there's not much flash wise. There's only just these tiny marks on here that I'm not sure if they're gonna show through when painting, but either way we're gonna give it a good sand and try to eliminate them. But apart from that, plastic of the quality of the molding seems to be good. Not usually amounts of flash. There's some flash, don't get me wrong, but is expected. But I believe from the configuration of the wings we can have them working, opening and closing which is good for us, an airplane of this scale. Some flashing on the landing gear, but again, not a huge amount, not a deal breaker, but yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic so far. For a 1/72 scale plane, it's not that bad. The only thing that I'm looking and seems that it's not gonna be great is the cockpit details. Yeah, it doesn't look it's gonna be amazing or phenomenal, as you guys can see on here. It's very simple, very straightforward. And yes, we have the working wings, which we have to melt the pins on here. So yes, looks fairly good. A decent kit with a decent amount of plastic parts and decals. Decals will be the challenging part, and I need to study really good how we're gonna do this, because the sequence will be everything here. Is requiring 20 grams of weight on the front, so it's not that bad. We're not using any of the missiles or bombs or extra fuel tanks, so this is gonna be a display airplane. I'm loving the belly as well. The belly is absolutely amazing. All this white with the red, it looks absolutely amazing. The tail is absolutely gorgeous as well. So yeah, this will be on my bench fairly soon. I'll be streaming these live on Twitch. If you guys want to follow, I'm gonna drop the link on the description below. So if you guys want to follow the build, you just feel free to drop a follow and go onto Twitch and watch it live. So yeah, I reckon this will gonna be a fairly straightforward build. Paintwork and decals wise, different story, but nevertheless a nice, lovely, challenging build. So again, if you guys want to see how this unravels and how this works, yeah, drop a like and a follow on here to get more notifications. I'll be sharing the updates here as well on YouTube, and we go from there, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching, and if you guys have any doubts, if you guys have any questions, please drop on the comments below, and I'll answer them as quick as I can. Thank you guys, have a good day.